Good morning, ma'am. Peace and all good. I am here to report about the integrating macro skills in mother tongue. The two end goals of mother tongue based multilingual education are lifelong learning and communicative competence. Initial focus from grade 1 to 3 development of literacy and numeracy skills and learning of concept about the language, the skills, and the competence. As this learning progress, there are five macro skills, which is the listening, speaking, reading, and writing and viewing. There are three strategies in teaching different learning areas with integration of the macro skill. First is the listening and the speaking strategies. Second is reading strategies, and the third is writing activities. First is the listening and speaking strategies. These activities develop the listening and the speaking abilities of the learners, as this strengthens their phonological and phonemic awareness. Phonological awareness, it is the ability of the learner to manipulate sounds and words or play with the sounds and words. This is the skills included, whereas the rhyming sounds, the blending lines, and the syllabication. Rhyming rounds sounds, it is the mouse, house, the goat, the boat, the dog, or the log. While the blending lines, this is the sip, ship, cash, dash. While this syllabication, it is the basket, where the bus and the kit. Basket is the syllable word, where the bus and the kit is the syllabication. There are also activities like in the reading and speaking. First is singing, the rhymes, and the video clips. These are some ways to illustrate the appropriate utterance of the difference of the letter sound. Um, in this singing manggod, kay maka-hear og different sounds ang mga bata kung mag-sing, di ba? Kay lanlain man na siya og sounds, lanlain po siya pagkakanta, pagkatuno niya. While the rhymes, it has the blending lines, di ba? Kung sa rhymes, like mga blending lines. While the video clips, this is one of the ways that the teacher used, kay dira man pod nila makita ang mga different ways, o para different ways na para makasabot sila kung unsa na siya na sounds, o maka-visualize pud ang mga, hindi lang makabati kundi maka-visualize pud ang mga bata. So, how to sustain the interest of the learners? It is the integration of listening and the speaking can be applied in activities that draw out the kinesthetic responses. These require physical and mental alertness from the learners to perform the necessary movement assigned by the teachers as she tells the story. These responses can be nodding of the head, clapping, stamping, or saying aloud a particular word or phrases. So, ang mga bata manggod karon, mas makahibaw sila by learning by doing. Kay dira ma-apply man na nila tanan. So bali ma-apply na nila tanan mga kinesthetic movement, kay para makahibaw jud ang mga bata. There are also the rhymes and the poetry exercises. It can make the learners easily memorize the poem. They can also associate words they hear with their own vocabulary, which will activate prior knowledge and therefore develop their ability to discriminate letter sounds. And the second one is the reading strategies. Reading strategies, this is the color coded reading. Each group is made to read the line whose color is similar to the color assigned to them. In this way, learners are focused on their lines as they read. The teacher can gauge their difficulty in pronunciation, syllabication, and phrasing. This activity is also enhances the participation of learners in this distinguishing between new ideas and concept. Color coding can assist students in distinguishing between concept and ideas. Color coding can support mathematical thinking in that it can help students organize their thinking, making their thinking visible to others and make connection. It can also strengthen visual representation to aid students in internalizing their learning. For example, for this picture, the place value practice. It has 483. So bali hundreds, tens, and ones. So ang number 4 is red, while the number 8 is blue, and the number 3 is the purple. So kani gituyo ni siya, so makadistinguish yun ang bata kung unsa na place value ang 4 ang 4. So, bali, 400. So, bali, diri sa, makadistinguish pud ang bata kung unsa ni na place value ang 8, and so on. There are also the selective highlighting. It is the another color coding strategies, selective highlighting. This strategy requires explicit teaching, extensive modeling and support, as well as clear students' directions. However, when implemented correctly, it can help students organize their learning and deepen their comprehension. Kani siya, di ba kasagaran nato kay kapag naay mga paragraph is ato man siya i-highlight, mag-highlight jud daw dira akong pinaka main point na ato highlightan. So bali, usa po di siya sa reading strategies kay para mas ma-organize jud ang learning sa bata. Para dili na daghan kaayo og suwaton, kato na lang pinaka-highlight na buhaton. There are also the interpretative drama readings. Learners can express themselves orally. So, through oral sila maka-express sila kaugalingon. So, learners are given the chance to speak with the proper phrasing, the correct pronunciation, and the correct stress, and the intonation. So, kani, pwede din ninyo diri ma-apply kung magpa-roleplay. Magpa-roleplay ang teacher. So, bali diri maka-express jud ang mga bata orally. So, bali makagamit sila ang mga correct pronunciation, mga proper phrasing, the correct stress, and the intonation. There are also routine activities. It is they indirectly perform a big role in the teaching and learning the language. For example, is this the prayer and the greetings, similar to the reminders and sayings posted on the walls from a part of the routine of learners. This are regularly read before, during, or before the class ends, aside from serving an original purpose like reminders, which make the learners remember their role at home, in school, and the community, or prayers to remind the learners of their faith in God. This also serve as visual aids and reading corner materials for other learning areas. Lastly is the writing activities. Writing activities are also facilitated with the use of instructional materials. One of these is the interactive board. This can be utilized, it's either independent or collaborative learning. This is some exercises in the writing activities, which is the card letters, the fill in the story, the chalkboard writing, the vocabulary challenges. These activities can it may help the students to ma-enhance ang ila mga vocabulary, ang ila writing, ila mga the way sila pagsuwat. And while the chalkboard writing, kani kay maka engage jud sa mga bata, kay maka-practice man jud nila og suwat-suwat. And that's all. Thank you.